Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. In previous class, we started this topic articles. We learned what is article, what are different types of articles and their uses. So before we go further, we will revise what we have learned first. Articles, they act as determiner and determine a noun. There are three articles, a, an and the. These three articles are divided into two types, definite article and indefinite articles. The is definite article while a and n are indefinite articles. These two articles a and n, they are used before a noun that is referred for the first time. They are also used to represent quantity, but there is a difference between use of a and n. Article A is used before a noun that begins with the sound of a consonant, while article N is used before a noun that begins with the sound of a vowel. For example, orange. Now the word orange, it begins with the sound of O, that is a vowel. So with it we will use N and orange. But there are some exceptional cases too, which begins with the sound of another either consonant or vowel. For example, university, European. Now these words begin with sound of U and E. That is vowel. But when we pronounce the word university and European, the sound begins with Y, and that is a consonant. So before it we will use A, not N. A university, a European, not N university and European. Similarly, honest, our, air, these words also, they begin with sound of vowel, but spelling begins with a consonant. So we will use article according to sound, not the spelling. So as the sound begins with a vowel, we will use N, not A. Next one is definite article, that is the. So whenever we refer to a noun for the first time, we use article A or N. But when we specifically refer to the noun, to the same noun for the next time, then in that case we use article the. We use article the before superlative degrees. For example, the oldest, the greatest, the most intelligent, etc. We use article the before ordinals like first, second, third, when they act as adjective. We also use article the before names of holy books and rivers like the Bible, the Ramayana, the Gita, etc. Before names of mountains, the Himalayas. Before names of rivers, oceans, sea, for example the Pacific Ocean, the Great Indian Ocean, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra, etc. Before countries which contains words like republic, state, union, etc. While talking about a specific meal, generally we do not use article the with meals, but when we talk about a specific meal, we use article the. Next is we use article the before some abbreviations, and while talking about some musical instruments like the piano, the drum. So these were some uses where we use these articles. So now the next topic that we are going to take is omission of articles. It means at certain places we do not use articles. So what are those places? First one is uncountable or abstract nouns used in general sense. So whenever an uncountable noun or an abstract noun is used in a general sense, then in that case we do not use any article. For example, honesty is the best policy. Now honesty is an abstract noun, so before it we will not use any article. Another example you see, I need some sugar. Now the word sugar is an uncountable noun. So before an uncountable noun we do not use any article. But when we talk specifically about this noun, then in that case we can use article the. Next one is before plural countable nouns used in general sense. Whenever we use any common noun in a general sense, we can use article the. For example, the tiger is a ferocious animal. So in this sentence, the word tiger is a common noun and it represents the whole group or the whole class. So in this case, we can use article the. But instead of singular common noun, if I would say tigers are ferocious animals. Now this is a common noun. It is in its plural form. So in this case, we will not use any article. Next one is before proper nouns. Before proper nouns also, we do not use any article. For example, Ram is a good boy. Now Ram is a proper noun. So before a proper noun, we cannot use a, an or the. We do not use any article before proper noun. Similarly, India is my country. So again, India is the name of country. It is a proper noun. So before it also, we will not use any article. But as I told you, that if the word or if the country's name contains words like union, state, republic, so in that case we can use article the. For example, the United States of America, the Republic of China. Next one is before names of meals. What are meals? Like breakfast, lunch, dinner. These are some meals that we have in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. So before these, we do not use any article. But when we talk about a specific meal, for example, the dinner that you prepared. Now in this one, I am talking about that specific dinner which you prepared. Means not a general dinner, not a general meal, but the specific meal prepared by you. So while talking about any specific meal, we can use article the. Next is before languages. This is before names of languages. We do not use any article. For example, Hindi, English, French, German. These all are names of languages. So before them, we do not use any article. For example, I can speak Hindi. The sentence is correct. But I cannot say I can speak the Hindi. Then the sentence will be incorrect. Next one is before school, college, university, church, hospital, bed, prison, etc. So before these words also, we do not use any article. For example, I went to school. To school is correct. Before school, we do not use any article. But again, when we talk about a specific place, then in that case, we can use article the. For example, he is in the hospital. So in the hospital, I am talking about a particular hospital or a place. I am giving more importance to this place, and in that case we can use article the. Next one is before names of metals. Metals like iron, aluminium, gold, silver, these all are metals. So before them also we will not use any article. For example, this chain is made of gold. Now gold is a metal. So before it, we will not use any article a gold, n gold or the gold. It will be incorrect. We cannot say this chain is made of the gold. The sentence will be incorrect. So when we talk about metals, we do not use any article. Next one is before names of languages. Okay, this we have done. Before names of subjects. Subjects like subjects that you study. For example, maths or science, English, Hindi, SST, Sanskrit, computer. These all are your subjects. So if I say science is my favorite subject. Science is the name of subject, and before it we will not use any article. We cannot say the science is my favorite subject. Okay? So when you talk about subject, you should not use any article. Next one is before names of games. Games like football, cricket, badminton, basketball. So in that also you do not use any article. Next one is before names of food or festivals, you do not use any article. Diwali, Holi, Raksha Bandhan, right? So the Diwali is coming, the Holi is coming. No, the sentence will be incorrect. You should simply say Diwali, Holi, or any name of any food also. So these were some places where we do not use any article. Your homework is you have to do exercise D and E of that same classroom assignment 40. A, B, C we have done. Now we have to do D and E exercise. Dear students, what I have noticed is after getting correct answers, most of you do not do correction in your book or notebook. So it's mandatory and compulsory to do correction in your book and notebook. It will be helpful for you later. Okay, so have a great day and thank you.